Before I go rambling on about this unit, I want to tell you to smash the subscribe button. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a unit that I came across online and I was like, oh my gosh, this is super pretty, this is super pretty. However, the only thing that makes me super nervous is that this wig does not have many reviews on YouTube about it, which is a super shocker because what I came across was super pretty, honey. Super pretty. Is it a hit or is it a miss? I don't know. I don't know. Let's get right into this review, shall we? So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing is called a mica, and I don't even know if it's really called a mica, so if it's not called a mica, please, I apologize, but that's how I'm pronouncing it, okay? So it's a mica, and I have her in the color SR1B Cider, and this is from Red Carpet Premiere. So let's get right into this review and let's actually see if this actually is a hit. Let's see if this is a miss, and I'm gonna actually just tell you the truth here. However, I really hope that it's cute on me. Especially. Let's get right into this. Real challenge that I had while cutting the lace on this unit was the baby hairs. The baby hairs on this wig is super long. I know that it probably looked like a breeze with me cutting. However, no, I would actually put this on a wig head. I think that you will be able to get the baby hairs off of the lace so you don't cut it by mistake like I did. However, I'm in a rush and I gotta review this wig, so let's get right into this now. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. First, let's start with the pros of this unit. Okay, the pros of this unit is that the color is amazing. Okay, darling, this color is amazing. I absolutely love the color. This is giving me orange. It definitely is giving me orange. If you're seeing orange on the screen, you're seeing it here live, honey. It is orange in my opinion, but it's a cute orange. It's daring. For my girls, that's 1B, number 2, 4. You have to try this out. And for my color girls, the length of this unit is another fave of mine. Oh my gosh, I love the length. I love long units. As you've seen in the very beginning, I started out with my part to the right. However, when I got off camera, I did shift it to the left because the right was not working for me. The beauty of this is that you can wear this anywhere from the middle to the left to the right side, so that's super, super amazing. However, I did not like it to the middle or the right, so I did shift it to the left off camera. So yeah. For my baby hair lovers, you're going to love this unit because of the simple fact that this unit honestly comes with like tons of baby hair. And I'm a non-baby hair lover when it comes to these units because of the simple fact that I do not know how to lay baby hairs, okay? When I was cutting the lace, I did cut a lot of the baby hairs out of this unit. I was just like, I'm over it. I was pressed for time. And I honestly just wanted to just cut lace and flat iron and then go. But it's okay because, like I said, I'm not a super fan of baby hairs anyway, so on or off, it didn't matter to me. I did, like I said, use my own baby hairs off camera. I decided to do it that way because my patience was really low at the way my baby hairs was coming out, and it was just not cute. It was just not cute. So let's go on to the cons of this unit. The cons of this unit is that this wig is a shedder. You're going to experience some shedding on this wig. There is no way around that at all. As I'm talking to you guys, the ceiling fan is on and it actually just blew in some of the hairs that I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. Do you see this? More than anything, it sheds more than the Tango. However, you can make it work. Now, when I first pulled this out the package, I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't take heat well. However, darling, the heat applied to this is amazing, okay? It worked a lot. It took heat very well, and it honestly looks better when you apply the heat. So again, this is not a pop on and go wig. You're going to have to put some work to this to make it work. For me, I got a little frustrated myself. Like I said, out of all the wigs I reviewed, this was the most challenging one for me. I know some of you may have it and like, what is she talking about? What are you talking about? But for me, it honestly was challenging. What I did though, I did put some spray in this unit, and this is called the spray treatment by Argan Oil. It honestly works wonders, darling. It works wonders. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I would say honestly get this if you're gonna get this unit because you're gonna need it. I did go in and pluck the parting space. I ended up plucking a little bit too much, way too much. So what I did was I went in with my mascara and I applied it to the parting space to give it a closer look, and it did work. So I hope that looks fine. I ended up plucking too much. I would honestly say the only thing that you don't have to do too much of to this unit is cut some baby hairs and pluck the parting space. And honey, trust me, you don't want to cut no more baby hairs on this. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Try it out. You see what I'm talking about. You'll come back and you thank me. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think about this wig. Don't forget to hit the notification bell at the top right so you can be notified every time I post a video. As always, well appreciated. Until next time, bye.